Hello, welcome to class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to smoothen the face of a person and an object. And the app that we're going to use to achieve this is Facetune 2. So I'm going to click on the app to launch it. I realized that I was too fast in the previous video, so I'm going to take my time this time around. I'm going to take it slowly this time around. So the picture we are going to use to achieve this is face. So I've clicked on the picture. So to smoothen the face, I'm going to click on the touch icon, the first icon on the screen. Click on it. And click on smooth. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to pinch and zoom. Can you see that? Pinch and zoom. I'm going to take that again. I'm going to pinch and zoom. Then start rubbing with my thumb to smoothen the face. Can you see that? And you can use this to actually, this radar here, this bar, you can use it to actually set the degree to which you want the smoothing to happen. Can you see the difference? So after doing that, you can, there's this two rectangular or two square box. Yeah, you can use it to see the before and after. Can you see the before and the after? Before the smoothing and the after. Like I said in the overview of the apps, I advise you don't use smoother. Smoother makes it too much. So it's that simple. And if you want to actually revert what you have done, there's an arrow here. You just click go back. Maybe you made a mistake, you over smooth a part. Then to just undo and redo, that's the word. To undo, you click the arrow here, and to redo, you click this arrow here. So having done that, I'm just going to click on the mark icon at the bottom of my screen that I have finished smoothing the picture. You can see the before and after. You can see the difference. If I pinch and zoom, you will see the difference better. But I didn't actually mark it because it's just to show you how to smoothen it. And for an object, I'm going to pick this cloth I made. Pinch to zoom. Click on the touch. You are going to click on smooth again and use your hand. You can use your thumb. Can you see the difference? I actually quickly put this clothes on the mannequin because I needed a picture quickly, so I didn't iron. Can you see the difference? I told you, when you click on these two square boxes, you can see the before and after. Can you see the difference? So you just keep on doing that. It's very simple. That's how to smoothen an object. You can see the difference in the arm part I just did now. So I saw that some part of the mesh is affected, so I can undo that part and then keep rubbing. Can you see the difference? These two square box that's here, you can use it to check the before and after. So that's what I keep doing to smoothen the object. It's as simple as that. I hope you understand the whole process. So that's how to smoothen an object or the face of a person. You see the before and see the after. Can you see the effect? So that is all about smoothing an object and a person, to smoothen the face of a person. Thank you. See you in the next video.